Commercial building facade inspections are becoming more critical today as our city's infrastructure ages and needs to remain compliant with inspection ordinances on a nationwide scale. In the past, this has been a manual, time-consuming process, which can now be accomplished with drones and artificial intelligence to gather and analyze building facade images for anomalies. Drone inspections utilizing AI can detect and analyze different types of building materials, ranging from brick, masonry, stucco, concrete, as well as identify hairline cracks, concrete spalling, exposed rebar, efflorescence, and various other damaging conditions. By combining computer vision with machine learning, drones can be trained to detect, monitor, and classify damage in 360 degrees. So how would this technology change the way major engineering firms do their job? At ConnexiCore, we provide fast, reliable, and cost-effective facade and building envelope inspections for architects, engineers, and facilities management companies. But how do you make sense of all this data? How do you convert that data into actionable information and solve the problem? With ConnexiCore Cloud, the image analytics team can make it simpler for engineers to review actual damage conditions instead of having to pore over hundreds or even thousands of images. Take control of your inspection data by contacting ConnexiCore today and ask about our Facade Inspection Partner Program.